Hi, good afternoon. This video is about complaints procedure. So let's say if you have any issue with Home Office, for example, if you applied for your visit visa and you haven't received your refusal letter with that, or maybe if you are trying to contact with Home Office and Home Office is not responding to your emails or your documents, so then uh, you can click on this site. It's a www.gov.uk and then UK visas and immigration. So let's say if you need to click here on how to complain, you need to click here, and you can also send them email to this email, or you can also send them via post as well, letter onto this address, complaints allocation hub CR92BY. Otherwise, if you are doing a online everything, then just click here on online complain about UK visas and immigration. So there is a different options there. So just start from here, start now, and then you need to mention why you are making complaint: submitting an application, making an appointment, waiting for a decision, or documents in negative or positive decision. That means you haven't received your refusal letter or anything. BRP, biometric residence permit, if there is any issue in BRP, or if you are still waiting for the refunds, or sometime if your application is refused outside the country and you have paid IHS fee and you are waiting for their refunds, so still you can click here, or all other issues, something else. So let's say if we click on submitting an application, just click there, then continue, and you need to write is the reason: technical issues, website or payments or whatever is something else, continue. So here you need to give them a number. Let's say if it's outside the application, then it's a GWF. If it's inside the application, then it's a Home Office reference number. Or if it's a payment a related matter, then you need to click on IHS reference number. And if it's a EU settlement or other application, then click on a unique application number. Or if you don't know the reason, or if there is no option and you know the reason, then you can click I do not have any of these. Let's say if you enter a GWF, so whatever is your GWF number, you can enter there. So I'm just doing as an example, so I'll click here, right, then continue, and then you must be applicant's consent. Let's say if you are doing on behalf of someone, as we lawyer, when we do on behalf of client, then we write here. Otherwise you can say you must be applicant or consent, you can say yes, and then continue. So if you are a legal rep or a relative or friend or sponsor, then you can click here. So let's say if we are going back, you are doing your own application, so then maybe you need to write here your name. Let's say your name is ABCD, continue, and then you can write your date of birth. So let me write the same here, 31/03/1980, and then continue. And when you are writing their nationality, so you need to go there. Let's say it's let's say if we are writing Iceland or Pakistan or whatever, so email address you need to write there abc@gmail.com, and you can also provide them your phone number. And then here in a longer details, you need to write the all details. What are the details about your complaint? Let's say if you're waiting for your refusal letter or family application or whatever, write it here, and let's say I'll write, and then continue. So here, let's say if you want to make some changes in your reply, you can click a change and you can change the all details, and at the last just click here, send complaint. Okay, so complaint submitted. So the Home Office will review your complaint and will provide full response within 20 working days. So if your complaint indicates a serious professional misconduct, it will impartially investigate it. This can take up to 12 weeks. So So all done.